What's up, guys? I have no idea what happened there. I don't know if I have two live streams happening right now or what, but welcome. I have no idea what's going on. So welcome in, guys. I might have two live streams happening at the same time. I think I do. We'll see if people find this one. Okay. What's happening, guys? What's going on, guys? Guys, what's happening? I cannot stop the other stream. What's happening, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, I have to go this way for some reason. This is wild. All right, guys, let's try this again. My phone overheated, so I have no idea what the hell happened. But we're back. We are back. I've got no idea what the hell happened. But all right, welcome back, guys. Appreciate you guys for being here. If you guys could hit the like button, let everybody know we're on this stream now. Again, I have no idea what the hell just happened. My phone overheated. I cannot close the other stream out. Kind of crazy. So yeah, we're back. We're back on this stream, but so I forget kind of where we left off, to be honest, but I got sidetracked. But at the end of the day, what we were talking about, I think from, last night's debates and where we are right now in the markets, don't look too much into it. These political candidates, all this political nonsense, it doesn't impact us all that much in crypto. I mean, it does, but it doesn't, right? At the end of the day, I think crypto's here to stay. We know that because of, Bitcoin on base. That's what we were talking about. Yes, you're right. Thank you, JH. But it doesn't impact us that much. I mean, at the end of the day, we've seen the market go up in a lot of different scenarios. We've got ETFs coming. But yeah, I mean, if there's one person I think that's a little bit better in terms of for the crypto side, I think it's Trump over Biden. So that's my 2 cents. But yes, some low cap gems. That's what we were talking about. JH, thank you, bro. Bitcoin on base. They have been coming in to the X space. By the way, we do have an X space today. Make sure you guys head over there after this. We're over on X now every day during the week, Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. It's epic over there. Tremendous showing yesterday. We broke our all-time high. We had over 200 people with us. It's amazing. But Bitcoin on base, and we've seen a ton of projects come on at small market caps and it just explode. This is one that I really like right now. I think the base chain is going to be huge. The base chain in general is so new. We're so early to the base chain still. And we're looking for some of those gems and not just meme coins, right? So Bitcoin on base is not necessarily a meme coin. Yes, it's a community token, but they're essentially building Bitcoin for the base chain. They're doing it exactly the same. So it's kind of like this mantra, hey, if you miss Bitcoin, here's a chance to get it super early. I think right now it's like $8 or $9 million market cap. It shot up to a $30 million market cap, which was crazy. But right now, we're currently sitting at like 8 or 9 million. So that's one that I really like. Bitcoin on base. Hot Sparky's in the house. Guys, welcome in, guys. Apologize for the craziness. I don't even know if that other stream is closed down yet. I don't think it is. Kind of crazy. I don't know what's going on. but I literally can't close that other live stream out. And I think eventually it'll close itself. But yeah, this is what happens sometimes when your phone overheats. This has happened to me before on YouTube. So it is what it is. Kind of hilarious, but we had to restart the stream. But yeah, some of the large caps guys that I really like right now that I'm accumulating. All right, so Ondo Finance, we've mentioned Stacks before, Sui, those three right there. It's just on repeat. That stream is jacked up. Yeah, dude, I don't know what happened. And I'm literally like going everywhere I can on YouTube, on the studio part, on the regular, like, and there, I've done this happened to me before. There's no way to close it. You just have to wait for YouTube to eventually just take it off. It's hilarious. I've had this happen to me before. But I was able to start another stream. And for some reason, it made me go horizontal and not vertical. Probably because I have a vertical live going on right now. It's, I don't know. Hilarious. But there's that. But Ondo Finance, Sui, Aptos, Stacks, Caspa. Like, those are ones that I really, really like right now. You know, Caspa has been performing really well all week. Caspa has smart contracts coming, which I think is going to be really, really big here for Caspa. There's so much to like about Cas. So much to like about Cas, I think, right now. In terms of where it is from a market cap standpoint, what it stands for, it's proof of work like Bitcoin, built on the Bitcoin consensus model. It's not yet listed on the top tier exchanges like Coinbase, like Binance. The reason for that is because they have to go open, buy the tokens on the open market, just like we do. And a lot of these exchanges, they don't like to play that game. They like to be the, you know, the big boy in the room. And they're not with Caspa. Caspa doesn't care. And Caspa has still moved up despite all of this. So it's harder to buy Caspa, yet they're still a top 25 crypto. Caspa's a top 25 crypto that launched in a bear market, right? I mean, there's just so much to like to think that we are still freaking really early, right? So I'm really, really liking Cas. I think we're sitting at like a $4 billion market cap right now on Caspa. You know, I think we can 10x in this cycle. I think, you know, Caspa can be a top 10 crypto. Like, that might sound crazy to some people, but that's honestly, I think the sky's the limit. We're already a top 25 crypto. Why couldn't Cas get into the top 10? Again, if there's anything that Bitcoin maxis will invest in, it's a proof of work crypto that's very similar to Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's kind of where I'm at right now. Lost you for a couple minutes there, brother. Yeah, I think that other stream is still going, man, which is hilarious. And I cannot close it, so... Oh, there we go. Okay, I think it closed it. Nice. We're back. We are back. Guys, hit the like button so they know we're here. Subscribe to the channel, do all that stuff. I had to do this vertical live. I think the other live stream finally ended and they closed it. It looks as if they did. Yeah. Okay, cool. We're back. So guys, by the way, at the top of the hour here, well, at 9:30, we are going to be going on our X Space on Monday through Friday. We're doing that at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Make sure you guys head over there after this. It'll be epic. It's going to be a ton of fun. But what questions do you guys have? Like, we do a lot of this on the stream, like this or that, or drop your questions. I want to get to all your guys' questions. Let me see what you guys got in the comments here. Drop a comment down there. Drop a question. I want to see what you guys got here. Yeah, I got my air conditioning on now. I didn't have it on before, and that thing overheated. Hopefully you can't hear it too loud. I've got my car on and the AC on, so we should be good now. My phone freaking overheated, man. Will Shib go up like the predictions say, 121%, or are we wasting our time? I think eventually Shib will go up 121%. I mean, that's basically getting back to where we were in March, right? And I mean, we just did it in March. Like, Shib went up over 100% in March. That will happen again. The issue with Shib right now and the rest of the market is that we need Ethereum and Bitcoin to move, especially with Ethereum when you're talking about Shib. It's the largest ERC20 crypto out there. So when Ethereum did its pump in March, look what happened to Shib and Pepe. They both exploded. They were killing it. And that will happen again. Like, imagine where Shib will be when Ethereum gets to 6,000, 7,000. Shib should be $100 billion market cap, just based on liquidity and the overall market sentiment and the amount of money circling. So much of this is not about Shib. It's about Ethereum. And this is just a fact, guys. This is just a fact. That's how it works. You know, when Shib did its parabolic run back in 2021, it was in the midst of Ethereum crushing it. Now, Shib could move on its own within a bull market, of course it can, but you need a sentiment where we're firmly in a bull market for a long period of time. And we haven't hit that portion of the bull market yet. And despite of that, we had a little bit of a pop in March and Shib went up 100+%, right? But I really like Bone at these prices. And I see a question just popped in there. Look at that. What's your take on the Bone price? Can it be what it once was? Yes. The answer is yes. And a lot of that's going to depend on market conditions, again, Ethereum, etc. But Shibarium is really new. I mean, we're not even a year old, right? Shibarium, the L2, launched in August. We have to give it time. There are a lot of people building. You know, there are a lot of people building on Shibarium more so than we think. More so than we think, which is obviously good. We need to have that burnt-in burn mechanism too. I think once we, finalize the ecosystem and we get the treat token out there, the rewards token, it's still early. We have to give them time to grow and develop this, right? But Shib is now a top 10 crypto. We also have to keep in mind, it's not going to go up thousands of % anymore, out of nowhere like it did back in the last cycle. It's a huge market cap. So if you're in Shib, for it to get to a penny tomorrow, it's not going to happen. I hate to break it to you. I mean, could we get there eventually down the line? Sure. But you have to have a very long time horizon here. Like, this is not the days of Shib when it was a 10, 20, 30, 40, $50 million market cap. Because during those days, yeah, you could see explosive growth, and we did, right? But once you reach a pinnacle of $1 billion market cap, once you reach that $1 billion threshold, and Shib almost reached 50 billion, and it's currently sitting at, 10 billion right now, give or take. Once you reach these type of numbers, you have to realize that the growth slows down. It's just math, guys. It's not anything wrong with Shib. It's not like, well, Zach, I thought it would get to a penny tomorrow. No, it's just a numbers game. Like, once this happens, you get into the billions, it's not going to be a moonshot to the top. It cannot happen that way. You just need so much more money to come in to move it, right? And it's a different type of investment. Shib is a different type of investment for this bull run than it was last bull run. Shib is completely different, in fact. Where Shib was so speculative last cycle, right? Shiba Inu was a very speculative asset. We didn't even know if it would survive the bear market. Remember, we didn't even know. There were all the haters were like, Zach, it won't even survive the bear market. It'll be gone. It won't even be here again. And they could have been right, but that's not what happened. It did survive the bear market, and now it is a household name, like Dogecoin. It is Shib and Doge at the top. Pepe might be getting in there, right? Right? It could be. But this is a different type of investment. This is a investment that is a legitimate crypto now, a top 10, 15 crypto in Shib. And you're not looking for 100x gains. You're looking for solid 8 to 10x returns. That's the mindset you have to have with Shib. But again, if you want those crazy returns that we got from Shib last cycle, I think you have to look at the entire ecosystem, right? You have to look at Bone, which I think is very undervalued, just over $100 million market cap. Love that. Okay, love it. And there you go. Been loading up on Bad Idea and Canine. Exactly. That is where you're going to get that crazy value. And you know what? Leash is in there too. And Treat Token, which hasn't even been, released yet, that's also there. That's also in the same vein. This is where you're going to find the opportunity in the SHIB ecosystem for those massive, massive, massive returns. Those massive returns are no longer with Shiba Inu. And a lot of people will not tell you this, guys. A lot of people will feed you bullshit and tell you that SHIB's going to go to 10 cents by the end of the year or some bullshit like that. That is not going to happen. Sorry. And I love Shiba Inu, but I'm also a realist, and I give you the good, the bad, the ugly. I keep it real with you. I keep it 100. And that is why you subscribe to the channel. You hit the like button and all of that, because most of these YouTubers out there, they're going to feed you a crock of shit and tell you that SHIB's going to freaking flip Bitcoin tomorrow. You got to just look at math. You got to look at numbers. What SHIB did last cycle is revolutionary. What SHIB did last cycle will not happen this cycle. It's not possible. It's not going to happen. Now, could it still be a very good investment? Yes. Could it still be a very good investment though for the long term? Absolutely. Absolutely. But it's not going to deliver these crazy, crazy returns. In order to find that, you have to find lower market cap gems. Simple as that, guys. I'm sorry, but this sort of stuff fires me up because people will just play Moon Boy and they'll just play this narrative, and it's just like, guys, that's not going to happen. And a lot of people hate on me for doing that. I've made videos and I get some hate from people, but these are the people that need to hear it the most. These are the people that need to get educated. So, okay, let's move on. What else do you guys got? Pepe to flip SHIB this cycle. Pepe's about half the market cap, a little less than. We'll see. I mean, I think SHIB and Pepe are here to stay. I think Doge, SHIB, and Pepe are probably the most solidified meme coins that I can confidently say are here to stay. Will it flip SHIB at some point? It certainly could. I mean, but think about this. SHIB flipped Doge for a little bit and then Doge took it back. I could see something like that playing out. I could see Pepe being like the hot one like SHIB was, flipping, SHIB flipping Doge for a little bit and then Doge regaining its dominance a little bit. I could see that happening where like Pepe has a big move where SHIB doesn't, and then all of a sudden a bunch of money comes into SHIB and they reclaim that second spot. I could see that happening. And I mean, the same thing with SHIB and Doge. I mean, SHIB could catch Doge again. It's less than half of its market cap. Okay? I mean, I think all three are here to stay. And I think all three are good investments. I'm invested in all three. I'm holding Pepe at these levels, man. And I've been buying. So when it dipped down to like 4 billion flat, I loaded up some more at 4 billion. We were just at 7 billion. I've heard of MOG, Amber. I'm not invested in it. I don't know too much about it. But I think, when you look at SHIB, Doge, and Pepe, these are where I am more likely to put my newer meme coin trading money and reinvest it into Doge, SHIB, and Pepe. Because these are OG memes that, yes, they're higher market cap. Yes, they're not going to move as much, but I do think there's still very, very much upside in all three of those investments. And I do think they're going to be kind of the normie meme coin. Once all the new money comes in, they're going to be looking at these type of plays to get into. So a lot of crypto guys is trying to predict the future, trying to predict when this new money comes in, where are they going to put it? And it's not only looking at it from the retail side, it's also looking at it from the institutional side. So where is the new money that comes in from the retail side? Where are they going to put their money? Where are the institutions going to put their money? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about this for a second, because I think the new retail money that comes in, they're going to flock to household meme coins. They're going to flock to Bitcoin and Ethereum. And they're also going to flock into some of these layer ones that they heard about before. Cardano, Solana, Chainlink, these sort of things. XRP. More often than not, this is what's going to happen. Now, institutions, they're obviously going to pile into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and probably Solana, Cardano, those other layer ones. But narrative-wise, RWA, real-world assets, AI, these are the spots where I think institutional money will really focus in on. RWA, AI. So that's why I love Ondo Finance right now. Absolutely love Ondo. This is why I love what's happening with the ASI merger, okay, and all of the AI crypto sector. And this big data area and data file storage area, Arweave and Filecoin. I think a lot of institutional money is going to flock into these big areas. So that's kind of where I'm at. Now, guys, we are getting ready to go live on X at 9:30, okay? 9:30, we are 20 minutes away. If you guys do not follow me yet on X, the link is down below in the description. Definitely go check us out. Find me on X. I wish I can post my stuff in here. I don't think I can. Wait a minute, I might be able to. Hold on. This is what I tried to do before I got kicked out earlier. Hold on, let's see here. I should be able to find this post. Let's see here. I think I found it. Bear with me here, guys. I think I found it. I want to post this X account in here so you guys can see this and make sure you click it and join us at 9:30. There we go. All right, I just dropped it in there. Jerry Molinari, what's up, bro? What's happening, guys? Yeah, do not miss this. We do this every Monday through Friday here on YouTube at this time, but we also, now how can I pin this? There we go. All right, I pinned it. The message is pinned. That's the link you need in order to find us at 9:30, guys. We do this every morning, Monday through Friday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern. We actually came on a little bit sooner today, had a stream that buzzed out because it overheated my phone and we started a new one. But then we do the X Spaces, we call it the Crypto Breakfast Club, every Monday through Friday, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. So, bang. But, yeah, man, this has been a good conversation this morning, guys. Breakfast Club, baby, let's go. Don't miss it. Let's go, let's go. Let's see. If the XRP lawsuit was over before the end of the bull run, what kind of upside do you possibly think it could have? Honestly, Joseph, and thank you for being a member, man, there is no telling what could happen with XRP because the institutional demand could be insane, right? Could be insane. I don't know exactly where the price could go, you know, but XRP is certainly a long-term play. We're waiting for this lawsuit to play out, and then Lord only knows where we could go. The technology is unbelievable. That cannot be denied. And it's crazy to think about how high XRP would have got this last bull cycle if they weren't in a lawsuit. It's just, and hopefully this lawsuit's over soon. But they're dragging this thing out, man. It's kind of shitty, but. All right, guys, I'm going to close this one down a little bit early today. But again, 9:30 a.m. Eastern, it's the pinned comment. It's my pinned comment here. 9:30, we'll be over there in about, 18 minutes, okay? In 18 minutes. But go over to X right now. Use that link I have down below. Go over to X right now, secure your spot, and I will see you at 9:30 over there. I got a couple things I need to take care of, a couple emails to answer. I got to take a leak real quick. And yeah, get myself prepared for the live stream. All right, I will see you over there. I will see you at the Crypto Breakfast Club. Twitter link down below. Appreciate you guys. Love and respect. Hit the subscribe button here on YouTube too. All right, hit the subscribe button. We're gonna have a great conversation over there. Crypto Breakfast Club. We're getting into a lot of stuff today, so I'll see you over there. Appreciate you guys. Peace.